Well, we've seen how we can change the font and the color and the border, etc. of a cell or ranges using our VBA. Well, we can go and actually format the numbers as well. So instead of you having to do that in Excel, we could do it in the VBA. We could do it in the VBA because we want to change the formatting programmatically for whatever reason. So to format our number cells, ordinarily in Excel, you would highlight your range, go to Home, choose the drop down and choose your number formatting. Let's do it instead programmatically through the VBA. We're looking at a range from B2 to F4. So we'll go into Visual Basic. We'll add a module because this Excel file has not actually got a module as yet. And we'll create a subroutine called subformat nums. And then we'll get it to change the number format of our range. So it's a range that goes from B2 to F4. Dot. Property is number format, so you'll find it in the list. There it is, number format equals, and then in speech marks, we have to enter the number format in a format that Excel would understand. Straightforward, 2 decimal places is 0.00. So let's take our little sub procedure and run that here. When you look at the Excel, they all now have 2 decimal places. If we wanted it to be formatted in currency, then inside our little formatting option here, we would add in the currency symbol and then hash, comma, hash, hash. These hashes are just placeholders so that we can tell it to put commas at the 1,000 mark. Still going to get 2 decimal places. Let's rerun our procedure and you see we're now all money. And if one of these happens to go above the 1,000, we get a comma at the 1,000 mark. Maybe they're not currency, maybe they're percentages. So let's remove those formatting options and add a percentage symbol behind there. Rerun. And we're now all displayed as percentages. So we've got a lot of control over not just the color and the borders and the background as we've seen, but also now over the number format that we can change at any time. We can change a given range or a single cell, etc., to a different number format than the one that's currently being applied in Excel. You can see that we can control the decimal places, change to a percentage, change to money. Now this in here is controlled by the same settings as Excel. So if you're not sure what to put in there or you want to see what else there is, we can go to Excel, we can choose a cell, and let's go to the number extra pop-out bit here, into custom, and it's all of these options here that you can place inside those speech marks. So you can see we can format for dates and time. Any of these symbols will work in the VBA number format, which we control by choosing the range, dot number format equals, and then in speech marks we place the number format we wish to apply to that given range.